Today's adventure is replacing a puck light in the bathroom. When they start flickering, it's time to replace them. So we ordered replacements, and hopefully this video will help you. So stay tuned. Today's project, changing out a puck light in your Grand Design. Hubby is pulling it down, the old one. Be careful, those little snap things can snap your finger, as it did to hubby. So these need to be cut because they're not wire clips. You need 2 female and 2 male connectors. So take a picture before you remove the wires. Clip wires off both sides. You'll need to strip the wires back so you can get your connectors on. Install your connectors on both sides. Once you get it on, then you crimp it down. And do the other side and crimp that down. Connect it to the new puck light and you'll crimp it down. Do both wires and crimp it down and check to make sure it's on there securely. Give it a little tug after you crimp it. And then you put the 2 ends together, a male end and a female end. You hook them together. Make sure they're really secure when you push them together. And you do both sides. You want a really good connection. And then check to make sure your light is working before you reinstall it. You take the little metal brackets on the side of the puck light, and they have to be in the up position. And if they snap back on you, it will hurt. So you've got to get them all straight up and down. Feed the puck light back in, and voila, we turn the light on, and we have a new light. And how you know your light is going to go out, it starts flickering. So hope this video was helpful. If you can, share, like, and subscribe to help us grow our channel. And as always, leave it better than you found it. Make it a great day, and God bless. We'll see you on the next video.